A major road accident had occurred at around 3:30 p.m. in 13-mile Sonapur, where the driver of one Mahindra pickup lost control of the vehicle while heading along the ZIGZAG road to Jorabad from Sonapur on the BAGHWARI National Highway 37. The vehicle fell directly into a 150-meter-long gorge. The driver of the pickup truck, identified as ANURAG JADAB, who was seriously injured, was rescued by the police with the help of local residents and pedestrians who rushed him to the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital for advanced treatment. Till the filing of this report, the vehicle involved in the incident has not yet been recovered.
Sampai dang na mantu kako. Tumi phala. Oi deha. Oi ide mantu. Tumi ekhon dhar. Mara kuch nahi. Mara kuch. Oi time thau. Ekhon thola. La la.
आदमी निकल गया
तुला